So here we have the S20 Ultra and my iPhone XS Max, and let's compare them in size. As you can see, the S20 Ultra is much taller than the iPhone XS Max. And iPhone XS Max I thought was very huge and heavy. But as you can see, the S20 Ultra is much taller. But the iPhone XS Max is wider. Not so much, but it is wider actually. You can even feel that in your hand. So the iPhone XS Max is wider, the S20 Ultra is taller. But when I hold them like this, I feel actually the weight of the phones is about the same. The feel of it is that the iPhone XS Max and the Galaxy S20 Ultra is having about the same weight actually. They feel the same in the hands. So I thought the S20 Ultra would be much heavier because of the huge camera module, as you can see on the back. And comparison to the iPhone XS Max camera module with the S20 Ultra, you can see how huge the camera module is in comparison. So that was a comparison to my iPhone XS Max without cases.